Welcome to Module 11 of Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course. Google Search Console Training. 1. Setting up Google Search Console, step-by-step instructions on how to set up and verify a website in Google Search Console. 2. Search Performance Analysis, exploring the search performance reports in Search Console to analyze website visibility, impressions, clicks, and average position. 3. URL Inspection Tool, understanding how to use the URL inspection tool to check the indexing status, crawlability, and appearance of specific URLs on the website. 4. Index Coverage Report, analyzing the index coverage report to identify and resolve indexing issues, such as crawl errors, blocked pages, or pages with no index tags. 5. Sitemaps, learning how to submit XML sitemaps to Google Search Console and monitor their status and indexing. 6. Mobile Usability, understanding the mobile usability report in Search Console to identify issues that may affect the mobile friendliness. 7. Core Web Vitals, monitoring and optimizing core web vital metrics, such as loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability, using the Core Web Vitals report in Search Console. 8. Manual Actions, understanding manual actions and how to review and address any manual penalties imposed on the website. 9. Security Issues, monitoring and resolving security issues reported by Google Search Console, such as malware infections or hacked content. 10. Rich Results and Structured Data, using the Rich Results report to monitor and optimize the appearance of rich snippets and other structured data elements. 11. Links, analyzing the links report in Search Console to understand the external and internal links pointing to the website and identifying any linking issues. 12. International Targeting, utilizing the International Targeting report to set geotargeting preferences for different versions of the website or specific countries. 13. AMP Accelerated Mobile Pages, monitoring and optimizing the performance and visibility of accelerated mobile pages using the AMP report in Search Console. 14. Fetch as Google, understanding how to use the Fetch as Google tool to submit and render specific URLs for indexing or troubleshooting purposes. Search Console API and Data Export, introduction to the Search Console API and learning how to export Search Console data for further analysis. 15. FAQs, frequently asked questions for course application, and to read the full article, check the link in the description.